teen inventors. These folks are inventing some technologies that are simply amazing. So I'm going to let them tell you all about it. Let me introduce you to our panel here. Go, take it away.
Hi, my name is Doris Feetalk, and I'll be your moderator today. So first of all, who's excited to be at use and stuff? Put some hands in there. Woo! All right, I can't hear you. A little louder. Who's excited? You excited? Woo! All right, so first up, we have some people who are maybe the same age as some folks in the audience here. We have right here Ratankar Das. Ratankar was the youngest university medalist at UC Berkeley in over a century. He graduated when he was only 18 years old. He's now studying bioengineering over at Oxford University, and he runs his own nonprofit called See Your Future, bringing science education to kids around the world. So he is the chair of the Youth Advisory for the USA Science and Engineering Festival. Right here we have Jack Andreka, who is a Baltimore high school student when he was 15 years old. Do we have any 15-year-olds in the audience? I see a 15-year-old back there. Awesome. So when he was your age, he developed a new test for pancreatic cancer that is 368 times more sensitive, 150 times quicker, and 26,000 times cheaper than the medical standard. And he actually memorized all those stats himself. This research innovation earned him more than $100,000, including the grand prize at the Intel International Science and Engineering Fair and the Smithsonian American Ingenuity Youth Award. He's now working on all kinds of water sensors for water quality. Johnny Cohen, right here, you can see that he's with a school bus that has an aerodynamic add-on. When he was in 7th grade, do we have any 7th graders in the audience? Okay, a few 7th graders. I see a 7th grader back there. So he invented an aerodynamically shaped air shield called the Green Shield that helps reduce fuel use by 10%. It redirects airflow, decreases drag, and increases gas mileage. He was on the prestigious Forbes 30 Under 30 list twice and was named a prestigious Ashoka Youth Venture winner in 2012. The number of times I will use prestigious, you can probably start counting, it will get high. And over here we have Param Jaggi. So Param has founded his own startup called Ecoviate, and he has been developing environmental and energy technology since the age of 12. When he was 14, he designed a highly effective algae bioreactor using household materials. So next time you go into your kitchen and you start digging around, thinking, what can I do with X, Y, and Z, maybe you could design an algae bioreactor too. Param is currently a junior at Vanderbilt University, and his green tech startup focuses on inexpensive, efficient, and disposable green products. And this is our incredible panel of youth inventors that we have up today. We're going to ask them some questions about their work, and we'll look forward to having questions from the audience after we.
So, who here rides the bus to school? There we go. See some hands. So when I was in 7th grade, I took a class at Northwestern on Saturdays, and we built little Pinewood Derby cars. And if you know what those are, they're just like little wooden cars that you push down a track, and the most aerodynamic and the most well-built truck or car wins. And so I got excited about aerodynamics. And so I was thinking about what could be made more aerodynamic, and so one day I was walking home from school and I saw a school bus, and it kind of hit me that school buses should be made more aerodynamic. And so I applied for a grant from the Pepsi Refresh Project, got it, and my freshman and sophomore year I worked at Northwestern University developing a green shield, which is this little thing. And afterwards you could come up and see it. And we did computational fluid dynamics, which is basically predicting the aerodynamics of the school bus with and without a green shield to try and see how much more effective the green shield makes the school bus. We also did real live wind tunnel testing, so putting it in a real wind tunnel, which is essentially a fancy fan and a bunch of sensors in a very monitored way. And then we went on to actually test it on the road. And what we found is that using the green shield, we can make school buses 10% more fuel efficient. And with 10%, school buses can, the green shield can pay for itself in less than a year, in a matter of months, and reduce their fuel emissions by 10%.